Teenage Engineering EP-133 K.O. review. Fast sampling workflow that keeps ideas moving. You know that moment when an idea hits, but your setup turns it into admin work? I watched a friend hum a hook into his phone, open 3 apps, then lose the spark before the beat even started. It happens fast. If you make music on the move, that kind of friction gets old. Ever had that happen too? The real pain is not just delay. It is the slow drain of half-finished loops, tired ears, and that grim feeling when creativity starts sounding like homework. One producer I know spent an evening bouncing between menus and cables, then shut everything off annoyed. Brutal, honestly. You start wanting something quicker, cleaner, and more under control, without killing the fun or flow. Then I discovered the Teenage Engineering EP-133 K.O. Don't just grab any portable sampler. Make sure it has immediate hands-on sampling so you never deal with losing ideas to slow workflow again. That is what makes this one click. You can sample through the built-in microphone or line input, shape sounds fast, and drop them straight into a high-resolution sequencer that feels snappy instead of fussy. The velocity-sensitive keys with polyphonic aftertouch add expression. The punch-in FX make live twists feel playful, and the multifunction fader gives you real control without menu diving. You also get stereo in and out, MIDI, analog sync, USB-C, a built-in speaker, and battery power, which means it works as a travel sketchpad but also slots neatly into a bigger rig. Handy little box. A busy beatmaker I know was seconds from missing a writing session idea on the train, sampled a voice note, chopped it, and had a groove looping before the doors closed. That mix of speed, relief, and creative momentum is the real hook. Stick around because long-term use tells the better story. After a few weeks, the benefit becomes obvious. You finish more ideas because the machine keeps you focused. Less setup time leads to faster sketching, which leads to better momentum, and that often turns into stronger tracks instead of a folder full of almosts. One expert reviewer called it one of the most immediately fun hardware samplers they had used, and I get why. The built-in mic, tactile keys, and quick sequencer invite action instead of hesitation. A tech creator showed how easily everyday sounds became usable beats within minutes, while an industry analyst pointed to the strong mix of MIDI I/O, effects, portability, and expressive control at this size. I have also seen regular users say it replaced several apps because they could sample, sequence, and perform in one place. Fair warning though, the workflow is unique and the sample time is limited, so if you want endless storage, this is not that machine. But if you value speed, character, and hands-on control, the limits actually push better decisions. Funny how that works. Could a more focused box help you finish more music? If so, this one is easy to trust. If you want a sampler that makes music feel immediate again, this is worth your attention. The Teenage Engineering EP-133 K.O. helps you work calmer, faster, sharper, and with more control, whether you are sketching on the couch or building live ideas on the move. Results may vary. Plenty of creators and performers already keep it in regular rotation for exactly that reason. If you want to check it out, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment, and you can experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.